Good day, everyone. My name is Nicholas Bagio. Again, I am representing for SMA Bonaventura, and today I will be talking about bullying, a debate. I'm going to talk about the debate for bullying for today's and this year SMA award. Now, to get things started, I'm going to let you know about the video that I've just watched in like I just watched like a second ago or a minute ago. And in the video, I've learned that in a certain elite school, I won't tell the name. In a certain elite school, when school ended, they went to a I think like a hangout place. Yes, they went to a hangout place, and the bullies there are bullies. The bullies bullied a poor guy when they were done with school, and after that, the poor guy literally he was so hurt because the bully didn't just bully with their mouth, like speak back bad facts or bad stuff, but they also use violence on the poor guy, and the poor guy was literally sent to the hospital after that. His father, I think his parent is very mad, according to their Instagram reels, and yes, it's very sad that people still police even in like a rich school, like elite school. Like it's a Cambridge school in elite Cambridge school. So it's sad to see that those bullies are still bullying even in elite school. I thought elite school were good, but no, there's still people that still aren't good even if they are rich, poor, or even anything else. And yes, I know that the school did warn the police to not do bullying again, but the police didn't listen, and they kept bullying and bullying again, and that makes me so angry. I don't want any of that. Like, please, bro, I don't want to see any bullying again. It's so hard to see people having such people, and it's also hard to see those people that they bullied. They probably have potential and stuff like that, but those bullied, they took everything from them. Like the example from like 6 months bullying ago, about like in the video about that bullying again. He was literally sent to the hospital. Like, I don't know what else to say. I just I yes, I think it's the parent fault. Well, we don't really know who's the fault here, but I already know that it's the bully fault that they are bullying. We don't know if the parents make the bully this far, or it's the school, or it's the anything else in the environment they're in. I don't know what's the reason for those bullying, but I, I believe it's not the parent. I think it's the environment. Like, when the parents, I think the parents are rich, so they left their kids alone for a very long time, and then the kids will, well, do anything irresponsible, like play with bad kids or anything like that. So they grew up to a like a bully. So yeah, I don't I don't really want to talk about bullying, to be honest, because it's like it hurts me. Well, yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much.